Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Today we're here to show you a 1972 Chevy Nova SS.
Oh yeah.
And green on green.
Yes.
With a black Londo top. It has a 350 small block with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning.
Hopefully
it has a front disc conversion.
Yep.
Nice set of American Racing wheels. Now this car is a 4-speed manual car. And the Londo top, the interior, the paint, the chrome, the trim work, the glass, all is very good. Nice.
Hopefully the sun comes back out and we can see the paint a little better. But on our website, you can see all the still shots of these cars, and I got some really good photos of the paint in the sun. So be sure to check it out.
Yeah, she's a very clean interior, exterior car all the way
Super clean,
around.
and it matches. Look at that. The green actually matches. All these cars always have like 50 different shades of, you know, green or red or blue, but this one's done really nice. You see there, it's 4-speed. It's got some updated gauges down there, but everything's in working order. It drives really nice, and it sounds even better. All right, stay tuned for the rest of the tour.
All right, 1972. Sorry about that. I'm not used to getting Novas.
Right?
1972 Nova, 350 small block, 4-speed manual car.
This is definitely not the year, maker, model we typically get of this car, so it's
yeah, we don't get these very often.
it's unique.
I think it's in the works to get this fixed too. As a matter
The
of fact.
dash.
You may see it, but I think I overheard the owner say that we're getting a new dash pad for this car, so keep that in mind if you're interested in it. Oh, sounds good. Fuel gauge is working. Speedo cable must not be hooked up, so we have to get a speedo cable for it. We do got a horn. Your aftermarket gauge is here.
There's something.
Aftermarket gauge is here working.
What is it?
Steering feels good. I'm saying. The shifting pattern feels real good, and the clutch feels real good. Steering feels real good. No funny noises or vibrations or pulling.
Real good.
Real nice car.
Awesome. Beautiful. 72 Nova, come check it out. I got the undercarriage videos coming up next. Call us if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thanks for tuning in.